Hostinger versus Wix, which one is better? Today we are going to talk about Wix versus Hostinger, which one is better. So in order to demonstrate the difference, I have this table. First of all, let's talk about the overall score. Wix has an overall score of 4.7, while Hostinger has an overall score of 4. If we talk about the paid plan, Wix has $16 per month plan, while Hostinger only have $2.5 per month plan, while it have 79% off for now. If we talk about number of templates, Wix have over 800 templates, while Hostinger have only over 100 templates. If you talk about the pros, the Wix is a unrivaled selection of website features. AI features can create site in 60 seconds. Quality free plan available. Easiest website builder to use. If we talk about the Hostinger, best cost per feature option, the dedicated mobile editor view, ADI functionality, excellent AI feature to craft content, AI generated website in 2 steps, 30 seconds, and then prompt customer support service. If you talk about the cons, the Wix has no template switching once published, steep price increase for scaling business, and limited language support. We talk about Hostinger, no free domain, short 3-day free trial, no mobile website editor, overlay generic website design, no app market, no email marketing, and no free trial or free plan. So this was the difference. Now it totally depends upon your choice, whatever you want to go with. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.